What's up, y'all? So I'm super excited because I finally got my DNA Ancestry. What, my nose started running? That was gross. Finally got my Ancestry box. Super, super excited. I've been wanting to do this for so long and I just never did it. So I was like, whatever, let me just spend the money and I'll get it. So I got it. Now I'm gonna open it and read the directions, I guess. So I'm gonna get some scissors because what was that? All right, so I'm assuming this is how it comes, and then you open it, and then so there's a collection bag, which obviously you're gonna be putting all your little sample stuff in there, and then it shows how to activate your kit and all of that. So do not eat, drink, smoke, or chew gum for 30 minutes before giving your saliva sample. Alrighty, so I'm gonna go drink up all my water because I just had some. I'll be back in like 45 minutes and then we'll be able to see how we go on with the rest. So everything, got the sample here, and then this is just the return package. From what I'm aware of on my mom and my dad's side, so my mom is Italian, Irish, French, Canadian. That's what I know off the top. And then on my dad's side, I know obviously he's black, but I'm not sure on which part he's from, you know, like I want to know the background to that because my great grandmother on my dad's side, she always tells me new information on my DNA. She's like, oh, well, you have someone from Scottish on this side and then someone from Ethiopia on this side. So I'm super excited because I just want to know more about where I come from and so I can tell my daughter where she's from. We'll be back in, like I said, 30-45 minutes after I'm done drinking my water, eating some food, you know, and we'll go from there. What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. If you follow me on Instagram, I've been waiting for my DNA Ancestry to process so I can get all my results because I want to know what I am. So results are in. I haven't even opened it yet. It was online. So I know that my mom is Italian, Irish, French, Canadian. Those are like the three main ethnicities that I know that she is. On my dad's side, I know he's African American, but my great grandma on my dad's side, she always tells me like, oh, you have her dad was from somewhere, and then like there's like Scottish and all that stuff. So I'm super excited to finally get to know a little bit of what I am because
due to slavery, I know some of the DNA isn't back that far, so
we're just gonna go with what we got right here. So I'm just gonna break down the ethnicity estimate. So it says I am from Italy, 28%, Cameroon, Congo, and Southern Bantu peoples is 21%, Ireland and Scottish is 13%, Benin and Togo is 13%, England, Wales, and Northwestern Europe is 8%, France is 6%, 4% Nigeria, 3% of Ivory Coast, Ghana, 2% of the Baltic states, 1% Mali, 1% Senegal, and less than 1% of Germanic Europe. So Italy, primarily located in Italy, San Marino, Vatican City, and Malta. So ranges from 25% to 28%. And for the 21% of the Cameroon, Congo, and Southern Bantu? So it's primarily located in Angola, Cameroon, Democratic Republic of Congo, Mozambique, Namibia, Zimbabwe, Zambia, Lesotho, South Africa, Swaziland, Rwanda, and Burundi. That's 0 to 21%. That's super interesting to know because I know, like I said before, I knew that I was like French Canadian, but now that it's saying like the St. Lawrence River French settlers, like I know a little bit about that now, and that I just know more about my dad's side. So that's pretty cool. Now I can say like, yeah, my dad is Cameroon, Congo, Swahili. No, I'm just kidding. Yeah, so now it's saying I have 536 fourth cousins or closer. Okay, so I already know most of these people. What? Okay, I'm gonna have to go through this because I'm gonna have to ask my mom about some people. I'm really familiar with my dad's dad. I met him probably like twice or 3 times in my life. So that majority of these people, like fourth cousins and all that stuff, probably will be stem from my dad's biological dad's family. But I only know my pops who adopted my dad, and I love him so much. All right, so I'm gonna keep doing some more research. Oh, my best friend's calling me. Hello there.
Hi, what's going on? What are you?
What am I? Black. I'm filming right now. Actually, I said, hold on, my best friend's calling me. Who?
Andy.
Oh, what's poppin'?
What's happening? You look tired, bro. I love you so much.
Okay, love you. Okay, bye. Cool. So yeah, I honestly thought I was gonna get some more like Dominican Republic or East African, but so I'm gonna keep reading. I just wanted to share this with everyone, and I wanted to get some insight for myself. So if you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe. Leave me comments below if you've tried this before and you felt like you were pretty accurate on your guesses, or if you feel like it's a scam, you know, whatever. But yes, leave some comments, share, hit me up. Let me know what else you guys want to see. I don't know if you guys want to see more makeup videos or what. So yes, let me know, and I love you so much. See you in my next video. Bye.